Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today we are going to solve exercise 5.3. Find the remainder by using remainder theorem if 3x square minus 10x square plus 13x minus 6 is divided by x minus 2. Let's solve this. Its solution is given as let p of x is equal to 3x cube minus 10x square plus 13x minus 6. Remainder r is equal to p of 2, which is equal to 3 into 2 to the power 3 minus 10 into 2 to the power 2 plus 13 into 2 minus 6. Remainder r is equal to 3 into 2 to the 4 to the 8 minus 10 into 4 plus 13 2s are 26 minus 6. 8 3s are 24 minus 10 4s are 40 plus 20. 24 minus 20, which is equal to 4. R is equal to 4. Question number 1, part 2. 4x cube minus 4x plus 3 is divided by 2x minus 1. Solution. Let p of x is equal to 4x cube minus 4x plus 3. Now put 2x minus 1 is equal to 0, 2x is equal to 1, x is equal to 1 over 2. Remainder is equal to p of 1 over 2, which is equal to 4 into 1 over 2 cube minus 4 into 1 over 2 plus 3. 4 into 1 over 8 minus 4 over 2 plus 3. 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8. 1 over 2 minus 2 plus 3. 1 over 2 plus 1 is equal to 1 plus 2 over 2 is equal to 3 over 2. R is equal to 3 over 2. Question number 1, part number 3. 6x to power 4 plus 2x cube minus x plus 2 is divided by x plus 2. Let's solve this. Solution. Let p of x is equal to 6x to power 4 plus 2x cube minus x plus 2. Now x plus 2 is equal to 0. This implies x is equal to minus 2. Remainder r is equal to p of minus 2, which is equal to 6 into minus 2 to the power 4 plus 2 into minus 2 to the power 3 minus minus 2 plus 2. R is equal to 6 into 2 to the 4 to the 8 to the 16 plus 2 into minus 8 plus 2 plus 2. 66 are 96 minus 8 to the 16 plus 4 equal to 100 minus 16 84. R is equal to 84. Question 1, problem 4. 2x minus 3 whole cube plus 6 into 3 plus 4x whole square minus 10 divided by 2x plus 1. Let's solve this. Solution. Let p of x is equal to 2x minus 1 whole cube plus 6 into 3 minus 4x square minus 10. 2x is equal to minus 1 and x is equal to minus 1 over 2. Remainder r is equal to p of minus 1 over 2, which is equal to 2 into minus 1 over 2 minus 1 cube plus 6 into 3 plus 4 into minus 1 over 2 square minus 10. R is equal to 2 to cancel each other, minus 1 whole cube plus 6 into 3 minus 2 square minus 10 is equal to minus 2 cube plus 6 into 1 square minus 10 minus 8 plus 6 minus 10 minus 18 plus 6 minus 12. Remainder is equal to minus 12. Question 1, part 5. X cube minus 3x square plus 4x minus 14 divided by x plus 2. Let's solve this. Solution. Let p of x is equal to x cube minus 3x square plus 4x minus 14 and x plus 2 is equal to 0. This implies x is equal to minus 2. Remainder r is equal to p of minus 2, which is equal to minus 2 cube minus 3 into minus 2 square plus 4 into minus 2 minus 14. Remainder r is equal to minus 8 minus 3 into 4 minus 8 minus 14 minus 8 minus 12 minus 8 minus 14 8 12 20 28 minus 28 minus 14 is equal to 8 4 12 2 2 1 3 1 42 minus 20 42. R is equal to minus 42. Please subscribe my channel, share my videos, like my videos. If you have any question in your mind, please write in the comment box. Thank you for watching.